Hello guys, so I was finishing these pages when I realized a tip that I think is super useful and I thought to share it, and it is the fact that I had this paper painted in red and then I draw by hand a flower, and then I realized that the part that rests, so the external part of it, that I was at the point to throw it, I realized that I could use it as a stencil. So I can get very easily the same flowers again and again, so using it as an stencil. So I thought to show this tip because I found it so easy then to have the flowers finished. And I was so amazed because I didn't expect to find this tip. And so, as you can see, I was doing these collage pages. Whenever I listen a podcast or watching TV, I just take some papers, different papers, and then I start doing mark making, and then I keep them for later, and then it's super useful because you have already all the papers done and you just need to start the collage. And then as you can see, they are from paper, these ones, so I am using a regular glue stick to glue it down. And you can see that this is the last layer of the collage, and I love it because it gives like coherence between the pages. The fact that you have a motif that it's repeating again and again, it creates cohesion. And also because I like a lot the contrast of the black and the red. So I really like this touch that these little flowers are giving to the pages. And as you can see, I did this mini flip with the focal point, and it creates like very interactive pages that I like on different sizes. I like that it's not perfect, every page is different, and you have to think in a way to give the consistency for all of them. So I really like these challenges. And here is the main focal point, and then that I did myself digitally, and so I thought to use as to get this brown that I like a lot, and these are paper bags that you get on the supermarket for the fruits, and they are a little waxy, so in this case I'm not using the glue stick, but I will use the gel medium. And as you can see, I am using the same system, the same technique, which is to use this mini stencil. And it's so fast and so quick. I really love this tip, and I will be using it a lot because I like to use this type of like abstract flowers in my work lately. So I'm so happy with this trick. And here you see me with the gel medium, as I said, just gluing down the flowers. And I absolutely love this focal point. I love this like Japandi style a lot. It goes very well with the style of my pages lately. And I thought to give a contrast with this red flower, which I love. And that's it for this week. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel, and see you in... no, sorry. I wanted to tell you that I have these like pockets. So I thought in the next video we are gonna do like a postcard to put in here. So that is it. See you in the next video. Bye.